NGINX shares mitigations for zero-day bug affecting LDAP implementation. By Any Bonny. The maintainers of the NGINX web server project have issued mitigations to address security weaknesses in its lightweight directory access protocol. Reference implementation. NGINX open source and NGINX Plus are not themselves affected, and no corrective action is necessary if you do not use the reference implementation. Liam Crilly and Timo Stark of F5 Networks in an advisory published Monday. NGINX said that the which is impacted only under 3 conditions if the deployments involve, should any of the aforementioned conditions be met. An attacker could potentially override the configuration parameters by sending specially crafted HTTP request headers and even bypass group membership requirements to force LDAP authentication to succeed even when the falsely authenticated user doesn't belong to the group. As countermeasures, the project maintainers have recommended users to ensure that special characters are stripped from the username field in the login form presented during authentication and update appropriate configuration parameters with an empty value. The maintainers also stressed that the LDAP reference implementation mainly describes the mechanics of how the integration works and all of the components required to verify the integration, and that it is not a production-grade LDAP solution. The disclosure comes after of the issue emerged in the public domain over the weekend when a hacktivist group called Blue Hornet had gotten our hands on an experimental exploit for NGINX 1.18.